Porsche is rethinking its approach to electric vehicles and may introduce new gasoline-powered models in response to customer preferences. During a recent third-quarter earnings call, Lutz Meschke, who serves as Porsche's deputy chairman and finance board member, mentioned that the company is considering the development of additional combustion engine variants to meet the diverse demands of customers across various global markets. This shift suggests that the demand for Porsche's electric models has not met initial expectations. While Meschke did not specify which models might see a return to gasoline engines, it is reasonable to assume that the all-electric Macan, as well as the upcoming 718 Boxster and Cayman, could be potential candidates for such changes. Porsche's production facility in Leipzig provides significant flexibility, allowing the manufacturing of gasoline-powered vehicles, plug-in hybrid models, and fully electric cars on the same assembly line. This adaptability gives the company the ability to adjust its product offerings based on market trends and consumer demand. Initially, Porsche set a goal to have 80% of its vehicle lineup electrified by the year 2030. However, the company has acknowledged that the transition is taking longer than originally planned. A statement released in July indicated that the timeline for achieving this objective is being reconsidered as Porsche prioritizes customer preferences in various regions. The company has observed that electric vehicle demand is significantly higher in China, while adoption has been slower in Europe and inconsistent in the United States. Porsche is not alone in facing these challenges. Other European automakers, such as Mercedes-Benz and Renault, have expressed similar concerns regarding the slower than expected adoption of electric vehicles. The recent launch of the Porsche 911 Carrera T, which features a standard 3-liter twin turbocharged 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, underscores the brand's commitment to providing a driving experience that enthusiasts crave. This move demonstrates that Porsche is not entirely abandoning traditional internal combustion engines. While it is unlikely that Porsche will completely halt its electrification efforts, the company is expected to take a more balanced approach by incorporating hybrid powertrains alongside its electric models. This strategy is similar to what has been implemented by manufacturers such as Toyota and Mercedes-Benz in recent years.